Yung dalay nyo, wala naman.
Sayang. Baka mamili kayo eh. Singapore. Wala po internet shop. Bye-bye. Kung may papasalubong.
PCR pa nila mag-buya.
Pasahin na kami. So far, mayabang ka kasi para makapag-video ka. Alright. Sorry. We got the B prize or the future prize. Dito na kami sa Vietnam. Yun! Kita nyo gawa ng tag. Oo.
Jasmine, and I'm still young, madam.
Okay, follow daw kami kay Jasmine.
I'm still young.
Hello, Jasmine.
Hello.
Doon siya sa harap.
So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning!
Welcome to Vietnam.
Welcome!
So, I will be your tour guide in Ho Chi Minh City. So, the first day, we will go around the city. So, that's in the Shobuni Market.
Shaw Boulevard.
Close at 8 to 9 p.m.
Mandaluyong. It's Mandaluyong, right? What do you know? What do you know words in Tagalog?
I just watched the Filipinos drama like of Marian Rivera, Tignan Dantes.
Wow! Okay. Dito na kami sa Pink Church.
This way.
Ever since it was built, it was already color pink or...
No, it depends on the church. So I know that the church, so Catholics, they can use any color to build a church, right?
But how long has this church been built?
From 1874.
Wala. Today, it's under construction.
Là áo trắng vậy thì đi chơi.
Wow.
This one was used by the French. And for the function, so we have this one. And on the two sides, they are the telephone. So if the French and American, they want to make the international call for the family, we came here.
Pero maganda yan.
So in the money change, do we have to deposit withdraw cash from the ATM first before we change money, or do they give local currency when we withdraw from the ATM?
So from the ATM, you can withdraw money, but they will charge you few percent.
Can I ask one question?
Yep.
Is this legal in Vietnam? They go to the roads to take pictures, just like this one. They go in the middle of the street to take pictures. Is this legal?
That's illegal. That's illegal.
Illegal.
Legal.
Legal. Okay.
Legal.
So do they need special permits or no?
No need.
Okay.
Cao Đài Camel.
Wow.
This guy, his name is Nguyen Binh Kim, the Vietnamese poet. And this guy, Tôn Yat-sen, he's from China. And this one, Victor Hugo, from France. France, China, and Vietnam. They are signing the contract, the justice. And
God and humanity, love and justice.
yeah, so the people have to live in peace. Yes. So in the middle, the people.
Tumahingi kayo mo.
Hindi na ba yata yung nagsabi?
Nagkaaga pa. Wala pang alas.
Mura lang. Look something, Shobani.
Mura lang.
1,000, but discount.
Ere. Magkano tayo siya ganito? How much?
Why you asking me this, ha? Anak mo. Pasalubong mura lang. Tingin na lang. Frede peso, suki.
Okay lang kanin. Puro ulam.
Tipid mo na para hindi ma...
Pangkain, no?
Tipid mo na para hindi mabusog agad. Alright.
Hindi ka magkakanin.
Round 2. Balot. Halo.
You can buy the mosquito spray in the pharmacy. Yeah. Just relax. This is a triple and this is a twin.
Hindi, pwede na pumasok.
55,000 times 7.
Wow! Sarap guys. Tinapay nila, banh mi. Sarap. Ito yung room namin tatlo. Ninong Pilbert, Tito Ramboy, ako. Doon si Lolo Magal, tsaka si Father. Ayun.
Nakadalawang beer, tutulog na.
Pampatulog lang ang beer, ano.
Isa dito. Tsaka ano, nung pagmaba natin,
OMG.
di ba?
Yun.
Yun, walang tao.
Walang tao.
Bababasa tayo.
Ere ang
Alright, dito kami sa 10th floor.
Meron ba yan?
Sino?
Meron,
Daan
oo.
natin.
Hinahanap ko yung side room.
Sininong Magal? Thank you, sir. Sumunod.
Hindi pa daw tapos si Jujus. Mag-prepare. Pero tapos na maligo. Sorry na kung ano.
Katapos lang namin kumain. Punta ulit ang room at kukang gamot. Mahirap na pag inubutan. Chard. Tulagayan ko ng gamot, ah. May mukha pa ni Jungkook. Man.
Nagsosolo ang lalaki. Hindi nangyayari yun. Hindi nag-check-in ang lalaki.
Solo travel.
Okay, so please wait a while. The driver is coming.
Ay, sanay ganyan lang mali kung ganyan yung ano.
Let's go.
Hindi, gusto niyo gano'n.
people every so often. Mostly people there are from, right now we have mostly Koreans, Japanese and Chinese. Indians, but
We have to apply the visa, but no one make sure we will success.
Finland, yeah.
Finland.
We just read it. We just read it. How it is spelled?
We say Phần Lan.
Finland.
Phần Lan.
So you read the letters not by the sound of the letters, because if you read something that ends in D, you pronounce it with G.
Lan.
Yeah.
No. Actually, in the proper way, no G and then so like the Thailand. In the proper way, we say Thailand. Thailand.
We can pronounce Denver as
Gangber. Gangber.
Denver. Denver.
Everyone, this game is okay.
Morning.
So here will be the local guide right here.
First, I would like to show you this design. It's very Vietnam, very beautiful. Also, the best seller pictures here. Okay, this is the traditional dress of Vietnam. We call áo dài. Not in happy color. Okay. This painting is made from rosewood. It's from a good side.
Actually, like it's very
3 wheels.
Jack eggshell. So we have two main color. The white is the natural color. Brown is burning color.
Okay.
This color. So it's very nice to have this color. So we have the more variety of color tone. Seashell, yeah, we only use this big seashell because it's beautiful and strong. And to know which one is the real seashell, we have to put it under the light like this. Yeah, you see the rainbow color over here. This means it's the real seashell. So first we will scan the design onto the seashell like this. And then we use the hand saw to cut them into details.
Para buo, stencil.
Para hindi na siya
So, like I said before, we cover the painting in lacquer. Like this, you can see we mix with
Ganda.
hot water, lemon juice, and also wash. And keep it shiny. You can see the final product here.
Bakit?
Directly go to the Gucci. Tell us, take us 40 more minutes.
Okay.
40 minutes.
Do you need any water?
Yes, please.
Okay, here we are.
Okay. All right. Let's
Do you
go.
wanna to Thailand?
Yeah.
Okay. And right now the tunnel is very crowded, so we should go together to make sure no one get lost.
Some
So please follow this guy. It's Please stay here.
Okay.
Is the map of Gucci district,
Gucci.
and right there is the diagram of the tunnel destroyed by bombs
Yan ang
of
buong
America.
Gucci.
The
Tunnel.
Gucci people, they just
Dito
keep
kami.
moving. They kept moving to dig the
Yan,
tunnel.
dyan.
So that's why, and we have to discuss that this time.
Ginawa lang to para sa tourist. Isang formal ako. Gusto mong lumubog doon, mga bayan. Hindi ako kasya dyan. Hindi ako kasya dyan, Pads.
Go Denver.
Live on the top and hold the lid from the bottom. The bottom. Yes. Be careful with your finger.
Sure. Game.
You made it.
Yay.
You did. Who next, please?
Dapat nauna ka. Ikaw, Philbert, ang mauna. Hindi, siya mauna. May security.
They crawl on their elbows, on their knees.
We are here, we are here. You can use your phone after you turn on the flashlight.
Oh my God, Denver. That's great. There's two tunnels na eh.
Yes, we can.
Denver, pumasok ka nga sa kabila, tapos lumabas ka dito sa kabila.
Give him the flashlight.
Flashlight.
How about this one? This is a long tunnel, right?
Maybe the bomb creator.
Ha? Hindi. Tagusan pa rin. Oh. Tatlo. Ayoko po. Kuya Magali,
Oh,
hinahanap ka na. Pati si boss. Salinan mo din, salinan mo.
kagayan ako niya.
Yeah, kunwari.
1, 2, 3. Ba? 1, 2, 3.
So can you guess what is it?
It's the house of the dwarf. Nuno.
Air pocket.
Nuno sa bunso.
It's an air pocket.
The other answer?
So, is this built like this so it looks like a termite mound?
Yeah.
I need the price.
Tubuan ng kabuti yan.
So this one is the termite nest. So we use the soil left over after digging the tunnel. And besides, we throw the soil to the Saigon River to the rice paddy field. At that time, American they trained the shepherd dog, the German dog, to smell Vietnamese. After training, the dog would run around this area. And when they went to the air ventilation, the terminus, they smell Vietnamese, they would bark as the signal. So American they came here and put the tear gas. That one make the Vietnamese have to go up immediately, or they pump the water. But no use because we connect the tunnel with Saigon River.
Okay.
So the water just follow the tunnel to go out.
So yun guys, kung naririnig nyo yung ingay na yun, nagsushooting dito ang Batang Quiapo.
Dumayo pa ng Vietnam.
Oo.
Wala nang gulong.
Punta namin guys sa shooting ng Batang Quiapo.
Oo, starring.
Starring ito si ano?
Starring.
Starring Magallanes de Maranan.
Iba-ibang
Guys,
death traps.
everyone, please look at the photo.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, metal and wood combined together. For your leg angle. You're stuck from there, absolutely. How to escape from there? Easy. 1. Using a knife, you cut the rope. The rope or connection bring you and force bike out. And then release 2 by 2. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, raise your armpit. Here. Yeah. So while from on the ground, put it hit to your upper higher angle. Will be for your falling step. Come on, Lily.
This is the
When you always concentrate.
This is the journalist form. So oxide, that guys, right?
This one is a bunker underground in the back. Right now we open for the one to get, one front, one to get, one front, one to get to cool down. He bombed the oxygen because this one underground. So we have to go to oxygen first down here. Yeah, because American can get big. No, what is the
Kagulat. Yeah.
Mas madali yan kasi nakabook ka na. Lawal mo.
Ang lalim.
So there is the guy on the. He would dig the soil.
Trolling project. Bye.
Dito ako dadaan.
Walang ano, happy pills.
Yung patalahian. Tula ka ng tsinelas, oh.
Whole bomb.
Laki ng nahukay ng bomba, oh.
Whole bomb.
Grabe.
Sa tono.
So whole
Hole.
Oh. Oh.
But on the, how about the other sign? The one, that one, yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, this. If you see this one, you have to higher your tone. Hole.
Oh. Lalamagal, dito daw ang pasok.
Saan ang labas?
Tapos ayun, doon ang labas.
Ay, naku, napakainit doon.
Kaya yan.
Lahat tayo.
Oo, lahat daw tayo.
How many people wanna go?
Me.
So, 3. You wanna go?
Kasama ka?
5. No more.
I go together. Don't
Bye-bye.
separate.
Yung bunker.
Bye-bye.
See you there. Nakakas, oh.
Kaya, swerte ito, kaya gumawa ng ganito, hindi binapakaan ko.
Ang laki ng ano.
Wala na.
Gaga pa nga. Ah, asikip. Asikip.
Luhod! Eh, hindi, galing na siya rito eh.
Ha? Kaya yan.
Kaya!
May trauma daw si Julius.
Nako, patay ka! Makikita na kayong tira!
Hirap.
Nakikita na kayong ina!
Ano?
Julius! Ba't ka pumasok?
Ilang peso? Sinaway ko yung Julius.
Dinahulog mo to yung total.
Hindi ako maka... Ayan.
Hindi pwede nito ang Amerikanong matangkas, ano? Ha?
Ino. Eto. Julius, dito ka nga.
Dito na po ako nag-exit.
Hindi pa, pwede pa dito.
Uy, dyan na.
Teka.
Mas malayo pa daw yan. Sabihin nyo na. Experience na.
Hindi ka,
Tayo na dito.
hindi ka na pwede bumalik, Julius.
Sige.
Ayos ko mino, dog.
Ayan, pumasok ka pa kasi. Saan ba?
Dito. Sakit sa paa.
Ayan, may hangin na.
Sakit sa tuhod.
Ayun.
Ayan, mga kiriyak, taga nagapang. Ano?
Success.
Julius!
Maluwang yung entrada.
Oo.
Sa loob.
Sabi ko hindi nyo masasabi.
And this is the 100 meter.
100 meters.
The entrance.
Pasok kayo ulit.
Kuya Magalo, pabalik. Babalik.
Babalik. Hindi gagapin. Diyan lang.
Right here, we are in the kitchen bunker.
Okay.
We will try the tapioca. And we eat by hands. So firstly, we need to wash our hands. And we have the shampoo here.
Okay.
Shampoo.
Is this shampoo from World War? No, just
Kitchen, bunker.
Kamoting kahon.
Yan pala yung English ng kamoting
So
kahoy.
you can dip with this one. Sugar and peanuts.
Dito po galing tapioca first.
Dito ni sa
Tapioca and pandanti.
Baka ka rito.
Saron is like the dancing
Saron. It's the afternoon.
It's a bad habit of Filipinos.
Sharon is the name of a actress and singer, and then she has a song that means
Balutin mo.
taking out of the leftovers.
Ah.
So that's why we call it Sharon.
Saron.
Selfie ka?
Oh, picture din.
Si Kong Kiwai.
Gum. Gum.
Come.
Tì.
Không.
Tì.
County.
Còng. Tì.
Is he your national hero also? One national hero? What's your name?
Yes.
Diyan sa napirma. Diyan sa napirma.
Cavite. Susulat din ako.
Ilan nga ang pangalan ko?
Attendance.
Attendance.
Hindi yung pulis, walang balik.
Okay, lunch na. Alright. Napakainit.
100 pesos isa. Dito, dito mo.
Jasmine.
Yung parang sa ano? Sa Chowking. Sinitin ko
Pabalik namin sa service.
Sa dulo.
Diwata, Paris. Bye, Jasmine. Bye. May kanin agad.
Sige.
Oh.
Ayun ang $50,000. 50,000. Oh. $50,000. Tapos hati tayo doon, ha?
Oh, hati tayo dyan, hati tayo doon.
Oo, yun.
Oh, yan.
Ano kukunin natin? Yung baboy o ito?
Ha?
Alin?
Ito na lang.
Oh, sige.
Buro.
Mustasa.
Picture. Mas tourist talaga to.
Lalo ka dyan pag laki na ka dyan.
Kumpara. Pilipinas kasi tatawid ka, budi sila ako kapag. 150. Permanent one. 100. Ganda pa. Fit. 지금 밤이니까 덜 더운 거야.
Hello, my friend. How much?
Oo.
그냥 shirt.
1,000
Please be good to me, my friend.
Kiểu kia là mới lúc mà chúng ta kiểu này hết được làm kiểu nó
Bye. I will buy. You buy 10. 10.
Yakult in Vietnam. Kaya.
Asa tayo.
Swimming na kami. Alright. This is the swimming pool and gym. O, diba? Nandun na sila.
Patuloy ko skating.
Batang Quiapo sa Vietnam.